Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. There are three types of programmers in this world. The first one is noobs, who are just starting to learn programming and use Notepad to write code. The second one is people like me who don't want to code, but need to do it to run their livelihoods. Such people like me use VSCode to write code. And the third one are maniacs, also known as 100x engineers, who enjoy coding and use Vim to code. And here, I can't even exit from Vim without searching for it on Google. Anyway, this video is for the second bunch of people like me who use VS Code and want to customize it with extensions so that they can flex on their colleagues for not being as productive as them. So, here are the free VS Code extensions that are going to make you a GigaChad programmer. The first one is going to be Codium. This is not to be confused with another AI coding assistant, Codium. They both are different. Codium is a coding agent that is basically more of an assistant than anything. You can consider it to be ChatGPT that is available directly in your VS Code. You can ask it to check for errors. It can also help you auto-generate code. It can also autocomplete your code. It can also do much more. But I generally use it only for these tasks. It is really good for people like me who don't want to be interfered with while coding, and when they need assistance, they go to the assistant and just ask the question, get a solution, and go back to coding. Now, let's talk about the next one, which is MintLify. Most programmers like me are not good at writing documentation, and that is where MintLify comes in. MintLify goes through your code and writes comments and documentation for your code. This is really amazing and works pretty well to manage your comments and documentation. You can select a block of code and ask it to generate comments for that, and it will generate them for you. Currently, it supports JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python. But if you don't like MintLify for some reason, then you can use the next extension, which is Readable. It also does the same things as MintLify. You can generate comments for your code with this extension within minutes and impress your coworkers with your superior grammar. The next one is Continue.dev. It is an open-source CoPilot alternative that works with things like Ollama, OpenAI API, and much more. I would recommend using it with a Grok API to use it to its fullest and for free. You can use it to chat, autocomplete, write GitHub commits, and whatnot. But if you are a security freak, then the next one is for you, and that is Dependency Analytics. It is developed by Red Hat, and it is more of an AI-based security analysis for your code. It checks your dependencies, and then checks their security vulnerability, and then assists you with which dependency you should use. Pretty cool. These were some of the AI extensions that I personally use and find pretty useful. Let me know what extensions you are using in the comments. Also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.